Yeah, as I was saying, the when I got there, the air I saw was really light. You can see how light it is, but then I had to add like extensions just to make sure I get like full volume. And you guys have been asking me, why do you add the extension? So I mean, this is it now. You can see that. So I added and just watch me style. Then we'll see what next to do. Have you ever had to style hair with flyovers? You know what? Just add wax. It would give you the best result ever. Wax is the solution. The hair won't shine too much and it will still look really, really great. So this is another hack you should take note of.
Alright guys, you guys saw what that hair looks like. I know my previous video I also mentioned that I was going to do like videos of some mistakes that people make when they are teasing frontal and all. Because of the whole environment, I could not show a video of the front, but I mean you saw the back. But subsequently I would do like a video of how to like install frontal area, and you saw the outcome as well. It really came out nice. By after this video, I'll be dropping one video that I did back in Nigeria on how to tease, either tease or tweeze, whichever you know it as. I will be showing how to tweeze or tease frontal properly, so that you can get like that very airline look. So guys, just watch out. Remember to subscribe, share, and click the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Bye.